Well, hey everybody, Martika here with Martika J Makes, and I am back with the last part of easy and quick gifts that you can make for Christmas that is coming up next week if you are watching this the week before Christmas. But not only Christmas, but other times of gift giving too: birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, whatever. You can give gifts at any time, you guys. So this is the last part of this, and I hope that you have enjoyed the first two parts if you've been watching. And to let you guys know, those of you that have been wondering, as promised, Sewing High End on a Budget is going to be coming back. It is going to be a 3-part series, and it will be here the week of Christmas, which is next week. So those of you who have been waiting, I have some goodies for you and a lot of them, I have been in the easy to sew mode. So a lot of them are easy to sew, and I do believe that you are going to enjoy this year's Sewing High End on a Budget. So be looking for that on the week of Christmas. So if you are new here, welcome, and I'm glad to have you. And if you are returning, welcome back, and definitely like this video. Everybody comment, let me know what you think about what I've shown you after this video is done, and subscribe if you have not. So let's get started. So the first pattern that I have to show you, it's a quick sew pattern, and this is Quicko K4319. And you guys, this is a fun one. It shows as a kid's pattern, but you guys, this pattern could be for anyone if you just change the fabric up. So you have 3 different activities here, all of them very easy to sew. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see this. This first one is like an activity pillow, and you have a couple of pockets here. If you want, you can omit that pocket there, but just think you can use it for pens as they have shown here. You can put books in the larger pocket, you can put crayons in there, you can just do all type of things. But this is great, especially for those who travel with kids, or if you're an adult traveling and maybe need a quiet place. Even in your car, you have something soft you can lean back on while you take your journal, your pens, whatever you need with you to go ahead and work on that activity. Then over here, you have some drawstring bags, you guys. That is what this one is here. As you can see, a lot of teens, a lot of kids love these type of bags. They're great for school, especially if they want something lightweight. They're great for overnight. You could do something like that too. And yeah, I just think that these are awesome. And then you have a different type of drawstring bag here that you can just stuff things in, kind of, especially for Christmas. You could put, say, like what would be a stocking stuffer. You could put those things inside this bag, and it has a large pocket on the front. So I think that's a lot of fun too. And then the last piece of this fabric, you have a bed organizer. Okay, this bed organizer here, there's a piece that goes underneath the mattress, and then the rest of it hangs down, and you have several different pockets or compartments that you could put books there. You could have a pair of glasses there if your child wore glasses, or if you do, you know where they are. You have some colored markers there. You can just put all type of things in that pocket. If you have a kid that might have asthma or something like that, you could put the inhaler down in that pocket, so you always know where it is. You know me, I'm going to hit on diabetes. If your kid or you have a diabetes, you can put something in the pocket of this so that it's easily reachable. If your blood sugar drops low and say you can't get to anything quick, there you have it right at the end of your bed. So those are just some ideas for you that you can do with these patterns here, you guys. With this particular pattern, the fabric that this calls for is just cottons, you guys, cottons and cotton blends. So yeah, you can do all types of things with these. And then you need your interfacing. Calls for a flannel interfacing. I just tell you to be creative with that. Get what you need or use what you have. Definitely pay attention to the notions there. Yeah, and just really follow the directions closely, because like I said, altogether this is a pretty simple pattern to follow. So yeah, that's just a great idea that you can use for that. Now, this next one here is a really cool one. And this is Simplicity 9408. And you guys, there are so many options with this pattern here. You can, I mean, you could do so many things. You could do that tote bag there. You could do this bag that have the makeup brushes sticking out. You have another little bag that someone can put in their purse. You have a little coin bag there that you can make for someone too. You have wallets that you can make. You have a card holder. You have another type clutch type purse that folds over and zips up. And then this is the one that really caught my eye when I bought this pattern, and your tablet and your phone can fit in there. So, I mean, in the world that we live in with technology, how would that not be a great, great gift to give? So I just think that this is an awesome gift for anyone to have. And you could be very, very creative when giving this out as a gift. Now, the next pattern that we have, I showed this in my last little mini haul, and I told you you would see it again. This is the display number, but the number for this pattern is Simplicity 9872. That's what this is. Simplicity 9872 is this pattern. And you guys, there are like these 3 different zippered pouches, and then you have these 3. They're a different shape, but they're like cubes. That's what I like to call them, cube pouches, that I personally think can actually fit more in than these type of pouches here. But you have 3 different sizes where you can put like your notebook, your journal, and your pen and your phone in there. You could put like hair things in there. If these are for kids, you can get some really, really fun fabrics and say put like their crayons in there, put their little puzzle games or whatever in there. You could even say if you have a teenager, you could put some emergency feminine needs, you know, in some of these. If it's for for say like your teenage boy, you can put things that he needs. And we know that teenage boys also go through things, say they need a certain medication or they're dealing with an acne or stomach issues or whatever. You can put, you know, different things in there to help people with these things. You could put even just travel size toiletries, you guys, in these kits here. You can even do say like a snack assortment, okay? Like for small snacks, medium sized snacks, large size snacks. You could just really have a lot of fun with these. You can just kind of customize them to the person that you are giving the gift to, or the recipient, so to speak. So I just think that this is an awesome idea to give as a gift, because whoever gets these will definitely love them, especially if you are picking out a fabric that relates to them. And the next one that I have for more bags, and I will tell you why I got this one, is Simplicity 9310. But you guys, all of this has some amazing bags. It's this little baby down here that caught my eye with this pattern. You guys, that is a little tissue holder. You know those little packs of tissue that you can get, say like from the Dollar Tree? As a matter of fact, I have one right here that I will show you, because I'm always purchasing these and keeping them on hand. I'm talking about little packs of tissue like this. You can get these in like a 6-pack. You can make that and gift, say like or 8-pack is what they have at the Dollar Tree, and they're $1.25. You get 8 packs of these, and they can have like refills for their little tissue holder. How cute is that? Okay, so you can like pick a pattern, or not a pattern, a fabric that would go great with the recipient, something that they will love and enjoy. Someone, of course, who's always needing tissue, especially if there's bad allergies or it's winter time. I mean, I think everybody would love it right about now. So I think that that is just a great gift to give. But even in this pattern, you have all type of other zippered pouches and totes and things that you can make and give. You even have like a little cylinder pouch there that you can give too. That's a zippered pouch. But I just think that little tissue holder is absolutely adorable. And I think that whoever get it will definitely love and appreciate it. And you guys, last but not least, this one, actually, no, there's one more. There is one more. But this is Simplicity 9308. And this is a learn to sew pattern. So this one is a very, very easy one. You literally have 3 different size tote bags. Okay. You can do so many things with these. You can just make 1 and gift it to someone, or you can make 2, or you can make 3 and gift them with a whole entire set, you guys. So, I mean, the opportunities of creativity are limitless with a pattern like this, because you can put, like I said before in another one, you can put, say, like a journal in there. You can put notebooks, pens, pencils, whatever they need. You can put, like, say, a reusable water bottle to show them that they can carry their water bottle in there, that of course can close very well. You could put like their snacks in there. You can just simply put a handwritten note or card in there, just letting them know how much you love and appreciate them. Or, I mean, just use your mind. Use your mind. You could put coffee in there, and I'm talking about like a bag of coffee, say like with a mug or something. You could put like some tea samplers in here and just give them a beautiful teacup that you can, that's something that's reusable, travel size, you know, something that they can take with them, that they can close tight, and gift it to them in this bag that you made yourself. So yeah, so many things that you can do with this pattern. And then last but not least, because we know our community, those of us who love to be creative, this is another quick sew pattern, and it is K4320. You guys, who do you know that knit? Who do you know that crochet? Who do you know that cross stitch? That need a really cute bag that they can just put their things in, maybe around the house or even on the go. I have seen people in doctor's offices sitting with their tote bags and their yarn inside their tote bags, crocheting and knitting while waiting on the doctor or the lab to call them back. So I always think that these gifts are definitely welcomed and definitely are usable for different people. And not only that, you know, you can take some of these bags to the store, you know, as a reusable little grocery bag if they don't need a lot in them. You even have something you can make here like a needle holder that holds your like knitting and crochet needles and things like that in. Very, very cute craft bag here that I think that a crafter in your life or even yourself will enjoy if you want to gift yourself with something. So yeah, that is my choices that I think would make some really good gifts for this Christmas or any other time that you need to give a gift, you guys. Let me know what you think about what I have shown you today. And let me know if you're going to take advantage of anything in any of these and give them as gifts to someone else. So that's all. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.